federal investigators are putting the National Institutes of Health under the microscope. Let's get this straight. The Fed's first concern is that federal money went to China's Wuhan lab through a grant program. The NIH awarded a large grant to EcoHealth Alliance, a New York-based nonprofit. They in turn funneled $600,000 of it to China's Wuhan lab over a 5-year period starting in 2013, specifically to study coronavirus in bats. Dr. Anthony Fauci has defended the grant repeatedly as one of the only ways to figure out if viruses can jump from animals to people.
And the only way you can study these things is you've got to go where the action is. So we had a modest collaboration with very respectable Chinese scientists who are world experts on coronavirus. And we did that through a sub-grant from a larger grant to EcoHealth.
Here's the timeline of events. The money for research in China was given from 2013 to 2017. Then, in November of 2019, this happened. According to a recent U.S. intelligence report, it showed several workers at the lab got sick. All had to be hospitalized. No one is saying they got COVID-19, but no one other than representatives from the lab are saying they didn't. Hence the ultimate questions. Did the worldwide pandemic begin in that lab? Or was the first human infected outside the lab, as Dr. Fauci says is more likely? The president asked intelligence agencies to redouble their efforts to figure out where the virus originated. Two other questions that remain to be answered in all this: was the NIH the only U.S. entity whose funding somehow ended up in China? And if any restrictions should be placed on American not-for-profits providing grants to Chinese organizations. Did we get this straight? Let us know by using our bias meter below.